What's up, Laker fans? No one has missed LeBron more than Josh Hart. Let's take a closer look at how he can get back on track. The Lakers have tried to run him off of screens the way that they do with KCP, but he hasn't had a lot of success with that. His shots have been a bit more contested with LeBron out, and Josh does a couple of things to compensate in order to cleanly get those off. First, he leans back as he's releasing the ball to avoid the closeout. He does this a bit on his open jumpers, but it's much more severe when he has a hand in his face. This causes his jumper to be a little flatter and miss short. He also rushes when he dips the ball into his shot pocket or tries to eliminate the dip altogether. Josh is at his best when he's shooting a mix of threes and driving to the rim. The Lakers can facilitate this by putting him on the opposite side of the court as they're big when they're in the dunker spot along the baseline. Josh is one of the few Lakers that defenders close out hard to, and having the big on the opposite side allows him a clearer path to attack those closeouts. Luke can also lift the bigs into the high post or on the perimeter to provide similar driving lanes. He's been doing this more recently, and that allows Josh and others to have more cutting opportunities or chances to get downhill after a handoff. Alright, that'll do it for this one. I'll catch you guys next time.